My name is Rio, and I'd like to reintroduce myself. 10 years ago, I was overworking, overdrinking, and driven by sexual compulsions to cope with the pain of not feeling good enough. I wore the mask of a proud man, but it was only covering the fact that I didn't feel worthy of love. I used my body as currency, and I gave it away to strangers, which left me feeling hollow. I thought I was free because I was out of the closet, but in actuality, I was enslaved by a life of validation seeking and people-pleasing. This sent me on a journey of self-discovery and healing for many years. And now, I can truly say that I'm proud of who I am. I'm at peace in my body, and I will never again give it away for validation. I've learned to have boundaries and to say no to relationships that don't work. I love myself. I have a strong connection with the source of creation, and I'm living a life of purpose. A big part of my purpose is to pass on what I've learned to men who find themselves in the place I was before. So I want you to know that moving forward, this is my priority. I will be teaching, sharing resources and recommendations that can help men who are struggling with who they are. Men who are enslaved by compulsions they don't yet understand. May 12th, 1991, that was the day I came out. Today, July 20th, 2024, I can say I'm truly free. If you resonate with my story, I'm here for you. Thank you to everyone who's been a part of this journey. Please tag or share this with the men in your life who might find this space useful. I'll see you again soon. Much love.